How much did you get?
Got an inch at my place.
The neighbor said 1.25 inches.
Heard they only got 3/4 just south of here.
Could have used this a week ago.
Sure could use it next week.
Needed this yesterday.
Still could use more.
When it rains, it pours.
Except for around here.
Washed out part of the road.
Grader will have to come by again soon.
Too little, too late.
Always seems to go around our place.
Wet enough for ya?
I heard it last night.
I didn't hear it.
The wife heard it.
I saw it when I got up this morning.
The creek will be rising now.
The cattle lot sure is muddy.
Got some big ruts in the driveway.
My other rain gauge only showed 1/2 inch.
How much did your brother get?
How much did your uncle get?
Gonna need to mow soon.
I had just mowed the yard. Now it'll grow too fast.
They say we got more coming.
Good. That way we'll have something to talk about.